The dream to stop aging, a wish as old as time itself. From ancient potions to modern science, people have always wanted to halt the aging process. Imagine a world where you never grow old, where aging is just a distant memory. This dream fuels the imagination of scientists, thinkers, and dreamers alike. But can we really stop time? Today, this dream is backed by cutting-edge research and technology. Stopping aging is no longer just a fantasy. It's becoming a tangible goal. However, there are many scientific and ethical challenges to overcome. In this video, we'll explore how aging works and the latest anti-aging technologies. We'll also discuss the ethical dilemmas of potentially living forever, telomeres, cell aging, and cell damage. These are crucial topics in aging, and understanding them could help us unlock the secret to staying young forever. Let's start with the basics. Why do we age? At the cellular level, aging happens because of things like DNA damage, oxidative stress, and telomere shortening. Cell aging is a complex process with numerous cellular changes. Three key concepts that we need to understand are telomeres, cell aging, and oxidative stress. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of chromosomes that shorten with each cell division. When telomeres become too short, cells lose their ability to divide, contributing to aging and disease. Cellular senescence occurs when cells stop dividing but remain metabolically active, releasing harmful substances. These so-called zombie cells can cause inflammation and tissue damage. Next is oxidative stress. Oxidative stress arises from an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants, leading to cell damage over time. Understanding these concepts is crucial for developing anti-aging therapies. By targeting these processes, researchers aim to slow or even reverse aging. This could pave the way for longer, healthier lives. The journey to combat aging is both thrilling and demanding, and the scientific community is eager to unlock the secret to a longer life. Telomeres are our internal timekeepers. They act like protective caps on the ends of chromosomes, safeguarding our DNA. With each cell division, telomeres shorten, contributing to the aging process. The discovery of telomeres gave us a new way to study aging. Factors like stress and poor diet can speed up telomere shortening. On the other hand, healthy habits can help maintain telomere length. The enzyme telomerase can extend telomeres, effectively reversing the clock in some cells. However, too much cell division may lead to cancer. Despite these challenges, telomere research holds promise for healthier aging. By protecting telomeres, we might reduce age-related diseases and improve our quality of life. Next, we explore how aging cells impact our bodies. Senescent cells are what we call aging cells. They play a significant role in the aging process. These cells stop dividing but stay in the body, accumulating over time. They release substances that cause inflammation, damaging tissues and leading to chronic issues. Removing these cells has shown to improve health and extend lifespan in animals. This discovery has led to the development of drugs designed to target and eliminate them. However, these cells can also have beneficial effects, so caution is necessary. Understanding these cells is crucial for advancing anti-aging therapies. Managing these cells could help us stay healthy as we age. Curious about how cell damage impacts aging? Let's explore this in the next chapter. Oxidative stress is a key factor in cellular damage. Oxidative stress is like rust on a car, except it happens to our cells, especially in the mitochondria. Over time, this damage adds up, leading to the signs of aging we recognize: wrinkles, slower metabolism, and a higher risk of diseases. Oxidative stress occurs when free radicals outnumber antioxidants. Free radicals damage our cells, impairing their function and contributing to aging. Antioxidants counteract free radicals, maintaining cellular health. As we age, oxidative stress tends to increase. Factors like pollution and poor diet exacerbate oxidative stress. Consuming a diet rich in fruits and vegetables and engaging in regular exercise can reduce oxidative stress. Researchers are exploring antioxidant therapies, and understanding oxidative stress is one of the keys to combating aging. So, what should we do if we want to live longer? Blue zones. The secrets of longevity. Blue zones are regions where people tend to live longer and healthier lives. These areas include Okinawa, Sardinia, Nicoya, Ikaria, and Loma Linda. In blue zones, people primarily eat plant-based diets, exercise regularly, and maintain strong social connections. Their diet consists of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and beans, and they practice moderation in eating. They engage in light daily physical activities. They have close family bonds, support each other, and live with a sense of purpose. These habits help them avoid diseases and extend their lifespan. Blue zones show us how our lifestyle choices can influence our longevity. Adopting these habits can help us live longer and healthier lives, but they aren't immune to the ultimate biological limits. So where are we today in the quest to stop aging? Advances in science and technology are helping us combat aging. Researchers are exploring gene editing, cellular rejuvenation, and senolytic drugs, each aiming to tackle different aspects of aging. Gene editing, like CRISPR-Cas9, allows us to modify genes that contribute to aging. Activating telomeres helps prevent telomeres from shortening, which can extend the lifespan of cells. Senolytic drugs clear out old cells, helping to renew and restore tissue function. Early animal tests show promising results for human applications. Stem cell therapy is another avenue where there is a potential for repairing and regenerating tissues. These emerging technologies could help us maintain our health for longer and offering hope for increasing longevity. Because cellular aging is a complex process, modifying genes and cellular parts may cause unexpected consequences. Telomerase activation, our ticket to rewinding the cellular clock. Activating telomerase is a new approach to combat aging. Telomerase adds segments to the ends of DNA, making them longer. This process can prevent the natural shortening of DNA ends. In lab settings, activating telomerase in human cells has been shown to extend their lifespan. However, there are risks, such as an increased chance of cancer. Telomerase is active in most cancer cells, allowing them to divide indefinitely. Careful control and monitoring are essential for its safe use. Despite the challenges, telomerase activation remains a promising anti-aging strategy. Scientists are working to find safe ways to utilize this enzyme. While telomere lengthening helps protect our cells by extending their lifespan, scientists are also looking from a different angle to combat aging by removing old cells. Let's talk about senolytic drugs, a strategy to clear out zombie cells. Senolytic drugs help find and remove old cells that make us age and get sick. By getting rid of these harmful cells, senolytics help our tissues stay young and healthy. Old cells release substances that cause inflammation and damage. Removing these cells can reduce inflammation and help repair tissues. Early tests on animals are promising, so now studies are being done on humans using dasatinib and quercetin. Dasatinib and quercetin are a combination of drugs that have been shown to work well to remove old cells in mice. Senolytic drugs could revolutionize how we treat aging. More research is needed to ensure these treatments are safe for people. Together, these approaches offer powerful strategies to slow aging at the cellular level. Imagine a world where no one ages. Stopping aging could bring many benefits to our society. It could help people stay healthier for longer and reduce the risk of diseases. This would also ease the burden on healthcare systems. People could extend their careers and contribute longer to economic growth. They could remain active in their jobs and communities. Halting aging could lead to greater happiness. It could address issues like declining birth rates and an aging population. Imagine accumulating wisdom and skills across a much longer life, passing down knowledge through multiple generations. But here's where it gets tricky. Stopping aging might not be a paradise for everyone. Ethical dilemmas and societal adaptation. Stopping aging brings up big questions and challenges. More people could mean fewer resources and environmental strain. If only the rich can access anti-aging technologies, social inequality could worsen. It's crucial to ensure everyone has access. Longer lives could transform family dynamics, careers, and retirement. Society needs to rethink healthcare, pensions, education, and jobs. We also need to consider the meaning of life with longer lifespans. Being aware of our mortality can give our life urgency and meaning. It encourages us to live more purposefully. Hence, we must carefully tread to balance new science with ethical considerations. With all these unanswered questions and challenges, where do we go from here? The future of aging. Stopping aging is one of the most exciting challenges today. New science and technology might help us live longer and healthier. But we need to consider the scientific, ethical, and social issues. Understanding how aging works helps us age better. Places called blue zones show us how lifestyle can help people live longer. New tools like gene editing and special drugs provide a promising future. Stopping aging is about making life better, not just longer. We need to explore, create, and think about what this dream means for us all. If you could, would you want to live forever?